My name is Akash Sharma and I'm a part of the International Institute of Foreign Language, which is so remarkable in order to learn English. So now we are gonna have activity which known as the non-paid talk game, in which you will get to know how to talk with your colleague in English. So let's begin without wasting further ado.
So, hello Ayan.
Hello
How are you?
Piyush, good and you?
I am also fine. So, what are you doing nowadays?
Actually, nowadays I am just learning English, and apart from this, I am pursuing in BCom from first year, first semester. Yes.
Okay.
And what are you doing right now?
And nothing. I am also learning English. Apart from it, I am just doing domestic chores and I am searching for a job.
Okay. From which institute you are learning English?
International Institute of Foreign Languages.
Okay. From the same institute, I am also learning English. International.
But I think
yes. It is located in Kanpur.
Yeah.
Yes.
I
Okay.
think you are in another batch, so that's why we never meet.
It's happened. We are from the other batch. So how is your life going? And
Yeah, my life is going fantastic too because nowadays I am searching for a job because I have some financial issues, so that's why I am searching for a job. And what about you?
Okay, so I was also thinking about the job, but recently I got notification from my college, and exam will be started from the December internal assessment, and my main exam first semester it will be held on January. So that was the reason I just hold for continue my job.
Okay, but I forgot my exam date, so that's why I am not able to give my exam. So, but I will give my exam in June of second year.
Okay, so you are in college, yes?
Yeah, I am also in college.
Yes. From which college?
IGNOU University.
IGNOU University.
Open
Which
University.
stream?
Arts. BAG, Bachelor of Arts General.
Bachelor of Arts of General. Okay. So how is your family?
My family is good, and what about your family?
My family is absolutely good.
And your elder brother is doing job or not?
Yes, he was working in the company, Nice Organic company, but recently the company was in the loss, so that was the reason he left the job. Yes.
Okay.
Company reduced their staff just because of the loss of the company. Yes.
Okay,
but he is in nowadays he is also joined my institute, our institute, International Institute of Foreign Language. Yes. So he is also learning English.
Now it's not your institute, it's our institute.
Yes, it's
now,
our institute. Yes.
We both are
are
studying
from the
there.
International Institute. Yes.
So,
okay.
Do you have any idea to do anything like apart from it after English? What will you do?
After English, okay, so I just think about I want to do a job in my future. That's it. And have you completed any apart graduation from the apart knowledge?
Yeah, I am learning computer skills also like VBA, SQL, and that's all.
Okay, so but I had completed my computer course.
You have completed?
Yes, I have completed. Yeah.
So what do you have learned from in computer courses?
In computer courses, so actually I joined my computer course in April, and it's the name of the course is DCLA, and under the DCLA there are lots of the software in the computer like MS Word, MS Point, PowerPoint, MS Word, MS Office, and Tally and Excel.
So you mean you have all knowledge about Excel and
yes,
Tally.
Excel and Tally. Yes. Have you completed your course?
Yeah, I have completed. I have not completed my course yet, but yeah, I have knowledge about advanced Excel but now I am learning SQL Server VBA.
Okay, so can you please tell me what is SS or
SQL?
Yeah,
okay,
SQL.
So in
yes.
this SQL course we manage all the data of the crores and 10 lakh peoples. But in Excel we have just some limits to manage the data. That's why I'm learning Excel.
Yes, I saw there was a limit around 10 lakh across whenever I scroll on the Excel. Yes, there was
SQL. After that, when you have so much data, so that's why after that you will manage your data on SQL.
Okay,
and
so
VBA is a coding SQL.
Yeah, I think you have a sister or brother, yes?
Yeah, I have elder brother and one sister, and she is married.
So what they are doing?
My brother is working in Toyota Galaxy as a dealership in charge.
And your sister?
My sister is married.
Your sister is married. Okay.
Yeah.
So which study your brother has qualified?
My brother has graduated.
He is graduated.
Yes. And okay, so what about your brother? Your brother is also learning English, and after that, you both will.
Yes, he recently completed his undergraduation, and he is recently joined PG. He took admission in PG.
PG.
Post graduation means yes, MCom.
Okay, MCom.
Yes.
So nowadays he's not doing any job. So
No, and nowadays he is not doing any job, but he went to the one interview, but in interview they are not he is not passed just because of this some reason, and which reason I don't know about that.
so he will try or not? He will try again or not in another company?
Yes, he will try, but not at that much, because now my father says, Aman, just stay in the home and just learning.
Just learn and
Just learn and gain knowledge more.
get some skills and then
Get
you
some
will
skills
try.
and yes,
Yeah,
yes.
these same things my father also said to me. That's why I'm also learning English and some courses. But after that I will try. Yeah, before couple of days I went for one interview. It was virtual interview on online video call Zoom app
Yes.
in Zomato. So at that time I cracked 2 interviews, but in third round I got failed.
Why
But
you got failed?
I don't know why they
You don't
didn't
know.
select me. So
Okay.
I was happy, but at that time, because that was my first experience on virtual interview, so that was good.
I
for
think
me.
you have experience in any
Yeah, I
other
have
company.
experience, 1.5 year experience as an account executive and escalation supervisor.
Okay, which type of thing you do in your account executive? In account executive?
In account executive, in my profile, I have some work like to manage all the cash and cash memos and receipts of the warehouse.
Okay, so let it be about the qualification and the job. We talk too much. So, how did you celebrate your Diwali?
Diwali.
Yes.
Actually, I didn't celebrate Diwali because I was suffering from fever. So at that time, I didn't celebrate the Diwali. But yeah, on next day, I celebrated my Diwali by burning some crackers and
Okay.
so many others, by eating sweets.
I actually celebrated Diwali with my friends. Like there was a
Yeah, I
Narnal
saw
type
your,
of.
yeah, I saw your. I watched your status.
Yes, you saw my status, no? Yes,
Yeah.
that was the reason.
So what will you do after this? Whenever you will go from here?
Okay, after this, I will nothing do. I will just use my mobile
Today,
phone
do you
and.
have any plan?
Yes.
Today, do
Yes,
you have any
actually, in my there was my one flat. In the flat, my father is doing some work like a plumber type of. So that was the reason. After this, I will go on my in my father's shop.
So today you are not free.
No, I am not free.
Oh, so sad. If you will get free, so definitely we will go somewhere.
Yes, yes, of course. So where we go?
So to somewhere, anywhere.
Anywhere. Which
Yeah.
place?
Like
Which place you
mall
like
and-
most?
Like movie for mall and everything.
Okay. So did you watch Street movie?
Yeah, I had watched.
You had watched. Okay, so
On
that's nice.
second day, I think. After
Okay,
release.
but I recently saw.
Yeah.
Just because.
So
yes.
there are so many movies which has released on before couple of days, like Bhool Bhulaiya 3, I think.
Yes,
And
I
Golmaal
don't know about
again.
the Bhool Bhulaiya 3 was released or not, but I
Released,
just
I think.
saw I just saw the song of the Bhool Bhulaiya
My
3.
brother had watched
Yes,
that
actually, you
movie.
know, Bhool Bhulaiya 1, 2 and 3, there was a one song, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. So it is all of the movie, the song is always almost same, but they just change a little bit changes in
but
sound and
there's
music.
one more movie, I think Singham Again. And in that movie, my brother said to me, they mix
Singham
all,
Again?
Singham Again, I think.
When did he release?
I don't know. My brother had watched that movie. So he said to me, it was very good, like Suryavanshi and all many other movies is combined in that movie.
Okay, so
Clap for everyone.